Hello, it's Rob here again from Academy of Inner Resonance, School of Subtle Energy Medicine, Inner Development and Crystal Healing. We're based in a beautiful part of Scotland, just into the Highlands, and from here we run the 2-year diploma course in crystalline energy healing. We run retreats, workshops such as the ASTROCRYSTAL one, communicating with nature for healing, and many other things, so we do hope you visit us soon. You can also check out the website for the latest information at www.inner-resonance.org. So today I wanted to do something a little bit different, and I'd like to look at 8 crystals that can help with stress, different sorts of stress. So when you're feeling overwrought, anxious, panicky, tense, you might find that some of these crystals are able to help. So the list isn't definitive. There will be other crystals that can help also with de-stressing, but these are 8 that really came to mind when I wanted to put this together. I will be covering each of these crystals in a separate video, so I won't be going too much in depth, just a general look at their energetic qualities and also what makes them a bit different to each other, because they can help with different sorts of stress. So the list is only in a general order. It's not that the crystal at number 1 is more helpful than the one at number 8. It's just that I do like my countdowns. It all depends energetically in that moment on what you need to bring yourself back into balance. Number 8, amethyst. Amethyst has many qualities. It's protective, clearing, it has a very high spiritual vibration. It has a very stilling, very deep energy. So it's excellent for meditation. It can take you within and helps you to be aware of the real you. Because of this stilling higher frequency, it's a good crystal to help with stress, especially if you're having nightmares, insomnia, and if you're having trouble sleeping. Number 7, Moonstone. Moonstone, as the name suggests, is very much concerned with being reflective, going within. It could be viewed as a feminine crystal. It takes the hard edge off things. It has a flowing, soft energy, and for this reason is very good for stress, especially if the stress is caused by trying too hard, using your will, trying to push too much, when actually you need to just let go and just give in more and flow more with things. Number 6, moss agate. Moss agate has such a beautiful energy. When I work with it, it feels like I'm meditating in a glade in nature. And like many green crystals, it does relate to balance and to nature. It's very good to hold if you're feeling emotionally stressed and tense. It's a great crystal to meditate with if you're feeling stressed, and you could team it with snowy quartz to clear what comes up, or blue lace agate, which it's very harmonious with and which we'll come to later. To me, moss agate always feels very calming and reassuring. Number 5, Orbicular Jasper. Orbicular Jasper, also called ocean jasper, is a stunning crystal, and it comes in every colour you can think of. Every piece is different and usually consists of markings of small orbs or dots or circles upon its surface. When I meditate with it, I have a sense that I'm actually on the seashore, there's pebbles around me, and anything I feel stressed about or tense, as the waves wash away down the shore, I feel like they're washing away my tension. Nothing really matters, that you could just float away. Orbicular Jasper is calming, soothing, a little bit uplifting, expansive. It's also grounding, and where it will affect you in helping with stress in your energy field does depend somewhat on the colour. Number 4, yellow jasper. This stone is great if you're feeling panicked about something. It's a stone that can really help to calm and soothe fears that you might have. Whilst grounding you, it has a gently sedative quality and it can help with nervous tension. Number 3, sodalite. Sodalite is an excellent crystal for mental stress. I worked with this stone a lot when I first began my training because I had an overactive mind, and still now I find I use it to help to quieten, still and ground my mind. It calms the mind, it empties it and helps to clear it of random thoughts, and by doing so it helps you to be more aware of your guidance, of your intuition. It clears blockages, helps you to become more focused and determined. It's cubic in its internal structure, and because of this it has a strengthening, grounding quality, so it can help you to manifest your plans, to put your ideas into motion. Number 2, Prehnite. Prehnite is a lovely crystal to work with if you're feeling stressed emotionally. Prehnite eases, smooths, soothes, balances on the emotional level. Prehnite can look similar to aventurine, but it hasn't got the mica in it, so it hasn't got those glittery bits inside that aventurine has. That's how I can tell the difference. Also, Prehnite often has little bits of black or brown in it. It's also slightly higher and smoother in vibration than aventurine, and similar to aventurine, it works very well with rose quartz. And if you put it with rose quartz, it would address issues of emotional stress, and it would be more enhancing and a little bit uplifting. Rose quartz with the aventurine would be more stabilizing. Number 1, blue lace agate. So at number 1, I've got blue lace agate. And I would say that this is the first crystal that comes to mind if somebody's feeling stressed. If you look at the crystal, the beautiful pale blue with the white going across it, to me it looks like the sky on a beautiful summer's day, a very light blue sky with white clouds. And by looking into that sky, it can just give you a great sense of peace and calm. And I think that's what this crystal does. You could actually just stare at this crystal and feel so much more relaxed. It's soft, cooling, stilling, gentle, and it also has a clearing energy. The word that comes to mind with this crystal for me is peace. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please let me know in the comments below, and also if you've got any questions on crystals or healing or anything I've covered in this video. Please also do like and subscribe if you enjoyed it, and do remember to turn on all notifications to make sure you do get alerted when the next videos are published. There's lots more on the way. And if you want more details about training with our Scottish school, such as the Academy of Inner Resonance 2-year Crystal Healing Diploma course, or the crystal or astrology retreats and workshops, please do visit www.inner-resonance.org. See you soon.